So welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus 13. This one is a collaboration with Hasselblad for the cameras, and let's have a look at inside the box and see what it comes with. So this is what the box looks like. So it's a red box, OnePlus 13 on the side. We have the big 13 logo here. Then you have OnePlus plus Hasselblad. Yeah, that's all. Then the back, or rather the bottom of the box, is black, and then you have some details about this particular OnePlus phone. It's a 12 GB RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and then you have the model number, and this one is the Arctic Dawn. So that's the color we went with. We're gonna see in a minute what that looks like. So for the unboxing, at the back, let's just peel this off. That's going to help us tear this polythene bag that comes. And then we have this. It says here this is exclusively sold in India. So let's just have a look at that. So we're going to peel this off, if it's going to let us. Well, seems like we need to cut it. There you go. Yeah, it's coming off. You can see it still says OnePlus here. Just gonna have to take off this top cover with a bit of force. It's a bit snug and tight. So let me just clear everything from here. Don't worry, we're getting inside the box. So that's all for that. We have the documentation, I believe, and a clear case. So that's the quick guide in there. We won't be needing that because we are subscribed to Web Education, I hope. And so let's have a look. No, it's not a clear case actually. It's a black case, and it feels like it's a rubberish, silicone-ish case. It's with a matte finish. It's not shiny, and it feels like it has loads and loads of grip. And of course, we have the OnePlus badge here and the Hasselblad badge. Okay, yeah. So that's what the case looks like. Then of course we have this for charging. You can take it out and just close the charging port when you're not using it. All right, so that's that. And then we have the phone. That's that color. The, what is that? Arctic Dawn. So it's almost like a silverish color. Looks absolutely gorgeous. So let's look at what else comes in the box. Of course, we have a charging brick, which is 100-watt SuperVOOC charging brick. So 100 watts of power with a full-size USB, which is kind of weird in 2025 or 2024 when this was released. So that's USB-A. And then of course we have the connectors here, but it's a 100-watt charger. And then you have the good old orange cable, of course, with type A on one side. Let me just unbox this. So type A on one side, it's an orange cable with white accents at the end, and then you have type C on the other side. So that together with that should give your phone pretty fast charging. So that's all that comes in the box. I'm just gonna put everything away except for this box here. I'll just put this away. I'll put the charger away for now. We'll put the charging brick away. and all this stuff. There you go, so that you can have a proper look at the OnePlus. So moment of silence for the wrap removal. There you go. So there is the first look at the OnePlus 13, and this is the color I went for. So it's a bit of a matte finish, if my camera does this phone justice. And you have, of course, the camera setup here with three cameras and LED flash. Then you have this stainless steel sides, Type-C ports, speaker. We have the SIM tray at the bottom here. And then you have the power and volume rockers. I don't think there's any button on this side except the mute switch. Okay. At the top we have the microphone and an upward facing speaker. So that's all we get as the physical features. Let's try the case on. For people who use case, I personally don't like using the case, but there you go. So that's how it looks inside the case. Then you have this little door to cover the charging port when you're not using it. So that's the unboxing experience of the OnePlus 13, and I'll be making subsequent videos on this channel on how to use different features, how to tweak different settings, and how to make the most of this particular phone. So make sure you get subscribed, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.